see on the right is a template of a document. And every company that I've worked with, when I've experimented myself, they all have some version, some permutation of this document. It's usually called an experiment plan. And it is the basis that you have to fill out of all the required information for you to start running an experiment. And it starts with that problem statement that leads into your hypothesis, which is what problem are users having? Hopefully, maybe you have some qualitative data. You might have some quantitative data, maybe using a tool like Amplitude to find some opportunities. Maybe there's a sharp funnel drop off and you see a problem. Maybe customers are having a hard time, moving into this next step. And maybe you have some qualitative data to back that up as to the why behind it. That allows you to now form a hypothesis. Hypothesis is if X, then Y. It's a simple thing that we do in any scientific experiment, whether it's an experiment in a digital analytics tool like this to, any experiment that a scientist is doing in the real world where you're trying to figure out if we do X, then, we believe Y will result, and then you're proving it right or wrong.